So this means that we have a greater ratio here. So this is stronger. تمام? The last idea that we need to focus on in Unit 1, all of the material is included, but we want now to talk about, we already mentioned the reactivity of the metals. Like always in metals, we are going down, like if we are going down across the group 1, group 2, or group 3, the reactivity, it will increase because it will become much easier to lose the electrons than hydrogen or beryllium or boron, because it is much easier to lose the electrons from the last orbit. تمام? But when it comes to group 7 and non-metals, it is different. The most reactive and the most stronger are the ones at the top. So the reactivity goes up as we are going up. The reactivity. You can write this in your books, okay? The reactivity, it will increase. This is noble gas, they are not reacting at all, but when it comes to group 7, it is really important. Why? Because we have something that we call replacement reactions. Let's say if we have an ionic bond with H, B, R, and this is in aqueous phase, reacting with Cl. The result, it will be, we will first do a comparison across group 7. We will see which one is forming stronger bonds, brom or chlorine. We can see that the chlorine is more reactive than bromine, so that the chlor, it will take the place of brom in this compound, because the chlor is forming stronger reactions than bromine. So the result, it will be HCl plus Br2. The same case applies if HCl is reacting with fluor. We will make a comparison, and the fluor in this case, it will be a gas. So it will be 2, and it will be aqueous, and this will be also aqueous, and this will be gas. Okay? طيب. In this, we will see which one is stronger, the chlor or fluor. Of course, it is the fluor, so it will take the place of chlor. So it will be HF, and the plus the Cl, it will become like a residue, and it will become like an excess gas, and the fluor, it will take the place of chlor. Let's take another reactions, totally new reactions, and by this we will finish this. Let's see if we have HF, and HF is reacting with brom. Let's do a comparison. Which one is stronger, fluor or bromine? Fluorine or bromine? Of course it's fluorine. Can bromine displace fluorine? No. So because it is, again, it is a gas, and this one is aqueous, so no reaction. The same case applies if HF is reacting with Cl. It is also no reaction. The same case if HCl is reacting with a brom. Let's see which one is the stronger, Cl or brom. Of course it is Cl. So can the brom displace Cl? No. So the brom here is powerless. It is also no reaction. So by this, we finished everything that is related to chapter 1. But please, miss, you need to memorize the information in the book. And if there is some specific information that is mentioned in the class and not mentioned in this video, of course, it will be included. You need to memorize the properties of elements that is mentioned in your book in tables. And you need also to solve the question of the workbook. And if you have any question, contact me. You can post also in Google Classrooms.